friends, so today I'm going to be unboxing a few different things that I got. I'm wearing Dodgers attire because the Dodgers are playing again today. It's November 1st and it's a World Series, so I plan on going out later to go watch the game. And let's see, what do I have in this box? I have a digital kitchen scale, cool. Vitamin C gummies, they're good for your immune system. And I also have iron tablets because I found out I'm low on iron. So these are, how many milligrams are in this? It's 65. So yeah, I'm gonna combine the iron with the vitamin C. If you guys didn't know, you have to pair them for your body to absorb it better. And then in my other box, let's see what I have here. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. And this is a metal detector. I got this because it's my dad's birthday next month. This is so funny. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Put the stuff back in here so it's not a mess everywhere. Okay, so this is a metal detector. And I got it from my dad. I hope he likes it. It's his birthday next. Yeah, it's actually already November, so it's his birthday this month. So, should I even open it or should I have him open it? I mean, this is his gift, but I think it's just, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit because I think it's pretty cool. I got it on Amazon and it's supposed to be one of those, things that look like this. It's like an underground metal detector and it has the batteries in the back. And it has like travel, so you can put your stuff in there. And tools. Looks like it has to be assembled. And I am definitely not gonna assemble this. And for shoveling. So I think this will be really fun for my dad. He loves this sort of stuff. And I've been seeing more and more people using these on the beach. So I just thought it'd be a fun little gift for my dad so he can go out on the beach and have some fun. Who knows what might be under the sand. You never know. So I think it'll just be fun for him to have this. And yeah, so I got this for my dad for his birthday. Cool. And the other thing that I got is this selfie monitor. I've always wanted one of these, so I'm really excited to finally have it. So it's this one, and this is what it looks like on the inside, on the back. And ooh, I love this pretty blue color. And there you see more stuff inside, but looks like the manual. And looks like this is it, and it'll stick to my phone with the MagSafe. Let's see. I'm excited to try this. I've always wanted one of these and I finally was like, all right, I'm gonna get one. So what it's supposed to do is, I'm sure I'm gonna have to charge it first, but I'm gonna stick it on the back of my cell phone, MagSafe, and then I guess you just press on. Is it on? Do I need to charge it first? Oh, it's turning on. Ooh, cool. And phone connection guide. Okay, cool. Okay, so it looks like I need to set it up. So I'm gonna set it up later, but I'm really excited because for this, you can see what you're recording while you're using the back camera. You'll see it on the screen. So you're not just winging it thinking, oh, is this looking good or not? It'll show you on this screen. So that's really exciting. I'm glad I got that and I'm excited to try it. I also got a few other different things that I already opened, to be honest, but I also got fabric glue because I want to add some letters and some cool stuff to some of my like attire. I really love custom made stuff. If you can see, This says Melvie. I had it embroidered into the hat, and I did like pink at the bottom because obviously I love pink. So it's like a Dodgers hat, but I had it custom made for me because, you know, I'm a pink girl, and so my name. And then in the back of this one, let's see if I can show you guys. You can see it also says Melvie in the back. People probably walking by are like, who's Melvie? Is she in the, like, probably, like, I've never heard of that. But yeah, it's just my name. I just decided to add it just for fun. I ordered it on Amazon. So if you guys want to know what link or what link you need if you want to get one custom made, I will gladly send you that stuff. Just comment below and I'll add it there for you. Okay, and that's it for today. So bye guys.